blower motor went out in your F-350. Alright, since I was rudely interrupted by a customer, in order, not only do you have to take the body control module out, the transmission transfer case module out, to get it all up in here. Can't really see in the dark hole, but you have to take this piece off with the blower motor to put it all back together. Same thing. You gotta take this piece off with the blower motor on the F-350, whatever. You know, these things on Super Duties, they got it all jammed in there. So yeah, basically you have to take this little ring with everything else. That is all. As you can see, I got it all in there. Installing the rear bolt, the rear screw, is optional to me. So yeah, we're not fighting all day with that shit. But anyway, it is a nightmare, but it is doable as long as you take out this piece here. You have to take that out, and yeah, it just gives you just enough room with the body control module and the transfer case module out. Good luck. Auto transfer case on the back. You hear the blowing. He is blowing. All good, and it's easy to check the voltage right there once you get the little carpet out the way. Yep, that's it.